welcome to my channel. My name is Alec. I am here once again to review another tablet. Here's the package and let's start unboxing. This is the AX Wi-Fi 6 tablet from CWOWDEFU. Inside the box, you'll find a tablet, USB-C cable, power adapter, user manual, and a spare screen protector. There are 3 color options: gray, blue, and orange. The back has a very nice leather texture. Here's the 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, audio port, power button, volume control, SD card slot, charging port, and dual speakers. Let's turn it on and quickly set it up. First, choose language. Then set up your Wi-Fi. Set up Google services. Set up screen lock code and you're good to go. Let's download some apps. I'll pick Netflix, Fruit Ninja, Cooking Viewer, and Plants vs. Zombies. Let's try Netflix first. I don't know why the video wouldn't show in the screen recording, but it was great, and the audio was okay. Now let's try Plants vs. Zombies. It took a while to load, but I didn't have any problems while playing. let's try Cooking Fever. Like Plants vs. Zombies, it was great. It didn't freeze. Now, the Fruit Ninja. Unlike the other apps, it didn't play well for me. The reaction was a little delayed. Deleting an app is easy. Simply long press on the app, click App Info, then uninstall. Here's a quick peek of the pre-installed apps in the tablet. You will also see the games I downloaded earlier. You can also merge two apps to organize. Simply drag one to another, then rename. Now let's try the camera. Let's take a picture and a video. Here are the results. The video was too short, but it was fine. If you swipe down the top right of the screen, you will find these easy access options. I love how it has the flashlight and screen record. charging time takes about 3 hours. Here are a few more information. To know more about this tablet, please check the link in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share this to someone you know, and hit the bell button. Bye!